Outer Space Reflex American English. Reflex 7000. AP1 Rules of Stress. Rule 1. Nouns and adjectives of 2 syllables, the stress is on the first syllable. Happy. Table. Teacher. Student. Handful. Courage. Famous. Famine. Frugal. Oval. Passport. Fruitful. Rector. Stuffy. Ransom. Letter. Pencil. Bottle. Paper. Drawer. Clever. Candy. Doctor. Dentures. Frontage. Coward. Something. Fancy. Kindness. Folder. Ruler. Package. Bottom. Flower. Picture. Ashtray. Scissors. Gloomy. Horny. Bossy. Number. Office. Turkey. Chicken. Dentist. Donkey. Beggar. Mistress. Giant. Friendship. Candid. Woman. Sticker. College. Dental. Service. People. The contest. Many records. Other. Princess. Village. City. Shelter. Booklet. Paper. Exceptions. Machine. Event. Frontier. Rule 2. Verbs of 2 syllables, the stress is on the second syllable. To impel. To adapt. To prefer. To admit. To construct. To impede. To instruct. To derange. To conduct. To consume. To retire. To incur. To invent. To involve. To pursue. To rebuff. To locate. To demand. To intrude. To escape. To accept. To conduct. to prepare, to collect, to begin, to agree, to betray, to dispute, to derail, to defer, to refer, to combine, to repeat, to reveal, to oppose, to improve, to observe, to perfect, to dispatch, to require, to evade, to induct, to obstruct, to perturb, to reject, to disperse, to profess, to rejoin, to record, to dislike, to infect, to precede, to secure, to diverge, to install, to resume, to eschew, to divert, to reserve, to expire, to exchange, to infest, to inflict, to obtain, to perplex, to regale, to inject, to attend, to define, to assume, to become, to inspire, to adore, to reduce, to confine, to advance, to impugn, to relate, to predict, to dismay, to esteem, to estrange, to forget, to imbue, to create, to present, to appear, to relax, to apply, to invent, to repress, to attract, to belong, to rejoice, to supply, to inspect, to obsess. Rule 3. Verbs of 2 syllables ending with a suffix ow, n, e, l, ish. The stress is on the first syllable. To open, to carry, to offer, to swindle, to madden, to winnow, to hinder, to flatter, to handle, to finish, to vanish, to mumble, to simmer, to whimper, to mangle, to pester, to follow, to bother, to cancel, to deepen, to fondle, to frighten, to fritter, to gamble, to gather, to girdle, to gladden, to glimmer, to hurry, to jumble, to meddle, to listen, to litter, to liven, to finish, to punish, to publish, to quarrel, to conquer, to render, to smother, to skirmish, to struggle, to vanquish, to worry, to banish. Rule 4. Words of 3 or more syllables. Usually the stress is on the third syllable, counting backwards. Mediate, radiate, indicate, magnify, irrigate, incubate, enumerate, calculate, memorize, standardize, dramatize, incorporate, inundate, generate, criticize, palpitate, indoctrinate, litigate, organize, meditate, tabulate, concentrate, unify, oxidize, accelerate, incriminate, accentuate, longevity, partisan, intransitive, negligible, itemize, partnership, peninsula, philosophy, pinnacle, precipitate, reiterate, sociology, supplement, terminology, exuberant, permanent, renovate, simplicity, curiosity, disarmament, solidarity, curriculum, passionate, prosperous, indifferent, interesting, precipitous, intoxicate, dominate, estrangement, facilitate, follower, dominant, expectorate, factory, furniture, galaxy, generosity, duplicity, general, germicide, gesticulate, immigrate, illogical, exodus, faculty, glamorous, glutinous, honesty, hurricane, illegitimate, immaculate, capacity, infiltrate, expedite, hospitality, journalist, lassitude, liberality, instability, follicle, institute. Notes. Airy is counted as one syllable. Seminary, necessary, ordinary, arbitrary, contrary, auxiliary, contemporary, dictionary. Rule 5. Put the stress before a consonant followed by an I and a vowel. CIV. Expulsion, facial, glacial, physician, extortion, geranium, idiom, medallion, obligation, obstruction, obvious, orient, period, perfection, permission, propitious, radio, propulsion, special, temptation, tenacious, speculation, starvation, vicarious, relation, suspicious. Rule 6. Put the stress before IC. Linguistics. Panic, periodic, toxic, atomic, aquatic, picnic, plastic, rustic, scholastic, despotic, specific, skeptic, tragic. Exceptions: rhetoric, lunatic, Catholic, arithmetic, politics. Rule 7. Aid, oo, un, een, ear, ease, eyes or ease, eyes. The stress is put on these syllables. Cocoon, employee, taboo, lemonade, afternoon, kangaroo, pioneer, balloon, domineer, promenade or promenade, referee, engineer, arcade, nominee, maroon, draftee, brigade, lagoon, inductee, escapade, guarantee, degrade, cartoon, frontier, cascade, racketeer. Exceptions: coffee, pedigree, marmalade, Rule 8. Prefixes and suffixes are usually not stressed. Prefix ad. That changes to ad, af, ap, as, at, etc. Accomplice. Apartment. Attorney. Account. Apprentice. Asylum. Absurd. Archbishop. Astute. Accustom. Affair. Afloat. Ashore. Adjacent. Assassin. Adherent. Affront. Assault. Prefix com. Call, con. Communal. Compartment. To consign. Consignment. Consigned. Consigning. To consist. Consisted. Consisting. Consistent. To constrain. Constraint. To continue. Continued. Continuing. Continuous. To confine. Confinement. Prefix ex. Ex-convict. Exact. Exacts. Exacting. Exacted. Exactly. Examine. Examined. Examining. Excess. Excessive. Exclude. Excluded. Excluding. Exclusive. Exclusiveness. Exhibit. Exhibited. Exhibiting. Exist. Existence. Existent. Expect. Expectancy. Expectorant. Explain. Explaining. Explained. Explanatory. Extreme. Extremist. Extremism. Prefix in, im, ill, ear. Imagine. Inexpert. Inferno. Infernal. Infertile. Insurgent. Illegal. Illicit. Illegible. Imbue. Imbalance. Imbibe. Irrepressible. Prefix re. Recover. Recovering. Recovery. Recovered. Recur. Recurrence. Recurring. Recurred. Regard. Regarding. Regarded. Retire. Retirement. Refine. Refinement. Prefix un. Unlawful. Unpleasant. Uneven. Unhappy. uneasy. Suffixes ment, ing, id. To invest. Investment, invested, investing, investor. To accomplish. Accomplishment, accomplished, accomplishing. To arrange. Arrangement, arranged, arranging, arranger. To employ. Employment, employed, employing, employer. To contain. Containment, contained, containing, container. To develop. Development, developed, developing, developer. To attain. Attainment, attained, attaining. To consign. Consignment, consigned, consigning. Suffixes all, ants, ant. To arrive. Arrival, attendant, attendance, ascendant. To ascend. Ascendant, ascendancy. To assemble. Assembly. To assert. Assertive. To extend. Extended. Extending. Extent. Extensive. To assure. Assurance. To attract. Attractive. To attend. Attendant, attendance,